buy a Jeep, I thought. It will be fun. I have to be quite clear here. I'm no mechanic. Gizmo the cat made one last attempt at talking some sense into me, and then he gave up. Leaving me with what I had wanted all along, a rough tool for a rough job. I had bought the Jeep knowing that I would be spending quite a bit of time working on it. There's always a lot more work than you think there's going to be. I've removed the windscreen spacer. Of course, I'm learning on YouTube how to do this. Just checking to make sure where everything goes.
There's an obvious reason for it. Next, the 4-screw 1, 2.
With the new parts in hand, I was keen to get the Jeep running again. A new coil goes into the distributor cap and the rotor is changed out for a new one. Replacing the spark plug wires back in the original order, I'm hoping that the timing is not out considering I haven't moved the distributor, but we'll have to see about that. I fixed a lot of things. I haven't recorded all of it. I'm not good enough at it to make a video about it. I'll just lead people astray. But as far as I can see, there are a lot more things that needs to be fixed. Let's go for a drive. And Milo enjoys it. So I haven't got the Jeep running. I now want to test it to see what I'm going to have to change to make it the tool that I want it to be. I'm expecting the tires to rub on the body, so I might need to lift the body a bit or lengthen the shackles. We'll have to see about that. A quick run up into the entry of H-Trail will give me some idea, I think. hearing something that's gonna cause me to stop driving it for a while. Might be water pump bearings. I'll have to figure that out. Anyways, I think it's very suitable to the job I had in mind for it. Of course, after I fix a couple of things. I have to say, Milo is enjoying it. Anyways, see you on the next one. Cheers.